Welcome to the installation video for the Eroute 5004 electric wheelchair. First, unpack all the equipment from the box together with the wheelchair. Included with the wheelchair is a manual charger, tightening or repair kit and battery. Attach the joystick to the holder and raise the backrest. Next, attach the footrests. Velcro the pads to the wheelchair structure. The wheelchair is equipped with a handbrake. Wheels must be attached to the back of the wheelchair to prevent the wheelchair from tipping over. Now connect the battery to the wheelchair using the red connector. The red levers on the motors are used to switch between electric and manual mode. Use the locked symbol for electric mode. Use the unlocked symbol for manual mode. Charging the wheelchair is easy. You can charge it directly on the wheelchair, or you can charge only the battery outside the wheelchair. Now the wheelchair is ready for use. You can also use it in manual mode. In the video, you can see the procedure for unfolding the wheelchair.